Imagine you're just getting back from the office and too tired to prepare a complex meal. Let's see what we have in the fridge. What I have is some leftover cooked chicken thighs, some potatoes, carrots, sweet onion, celery, green onion, meat stock. This is what we should always have in the fridge: chicken or beef stock. Garlic cloves, and for the dried ingredients, peppercorn, Jammy soup spice, seasoning cube, and of course salt to taste. On this episode of Spice and Simplicity with Julie, I'll be creating a delicious, rich potato soup. Let's get started. First, after washing the potatoes and carrots, I'll peel off the skin. I'm peeling the outer layer of the celery. For the green onion, I'm just cutting off the tips, and later I'll slice. For the potatoes, I'm going to dice them so they can cook fast. Now that the potatoes are diced, we'll cook them till it's soft. Let me add some salt and cook medium heat. Now I'm going to grate the garlic. Next I'll dice the chicken. While the potato is getting soft, let me grind the peppercorn. Now the potatoes are soft, I'll now sieve it to remove the liquid. Now I'm going to saute my veggies. I'll be using butter as oil, but you can use any oil of choice. Next, I'll add my garlic, onion, the sweet onion. Just mix thoroughly. Allow this to cook for 5 minutes before adding the other veggies. It's 5 minutes now, so we'll go in with carrots and celery. We'll also add our chicken. Mix thoroughly. Peppercorn and Jammy soup spice. And salt to taste. Mix thoroughly. Allow this to cook for 5 minutes. While waiting, I want to mash some of this potato to act as a thickener for the soup. Next, I'll add the seasoning cube. Mix thoroughly. If you've watched to this point, remember to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Next, I'll go in with the key ingredient, the potato. And I'll mix thoroughly. Now I'll add my chicken stock and more water. We'll mix thoroughly. Let me add some more water to this. So we're adding more water. So we're going with our mashed potato to thicken the soup. Our potato soup is almost ready. Easy recipe for busy moms. Next and final ingredients to add is the green onion. So I'll add some of this and I'll leave some for garnishing. This tastes so good. Oh my goodness. So good. Potato soup is ready to be served. Remember to subscribe, like, so you can be receiving delicious recipes from Spice and Simplicity with Julie.